palanggeng, mayang adlaw yung tanan, maadyong hapon, diri kay alas 1:45 na niya. Gikan ko nag-unboxing / review sa ring light. So, sayang man nga nag-ilis na ko. Tapos, sayang kaya tong effort sa tong kilay, no? Tapos, pagkaman i-resume na. So, ato na lang ipadayon sa sunod nga video. So, today, if wala mo nakita ito akong video nga I was counting numbers in Dutch, 1 to 10, I would like to share to you the Dutch alphabet. So, the Dutch alphabet is same sa tuwa nga A to Z, but mag-differ siya sa pronunciation. So, are you guys interested to know and maybe curious mo kung saan siya pag-pronounce? Then just keep on watching. Pause na ako kung tissue kaya nagtulo akong sipon ha. Uno momento, por favor. Wait ha.
A few moments later.
So, ang Dutch alphabet same sa to ang English alphabet nga A to Z. But like I said, lahi ang pronunciation. Okay, let's start. So, kanang magbutang lang kog A, B nga na, pero ako siyang i-pronounce. A. B is bay. C is say. D is day. E is E. Pero dili E. E. Sunod is F. G. So this is the final, this is really Dutch. G as in goats is G. G, sunod sa G is H. H in Dutch is ha. I is E. H-I, sunod is J. J as in jar is yay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. K is K. L is L. M is M. N is N. O is O. P is P. Q is Q. R is R. S is S. T is T. U is U. V is V. W is they. X is X. And Y is wait sa ako sang i-research kaya nakalimot kung sa pronunciation sa Y. Geiger.
A few inches later.
Ko lang i-confirm ha, ang pronunciation daw sa Y is Kriekse. A. Tapos ang Z is Z. So, ako ang i-repeat ang Dutch alphabet ha, kay ako nasang i-confirm kay sig maulawan taan nila yung mga Dutch makakitaan, hindi mo akong alphabet. Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, A, murag Griekse A, letters Y, and Z. So, that's basically the Dutch alphabet, mga palanggeng. I hope curious mo how to pronounce it, and if I made it wrong or if I pronounce it wrong, you can also Google or watch some YouTube videos on how the Dutch alphabet sounds like. So thank you so much mga palanggeng. If na-curious mo about this video, I hope you like this one, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if wala pa mo nakasubscribe, pwede mo subscribe sa akong channel. That's Chum, Bonita. And if ganahan mo follow na ko sa ko ang Instagram, you can also follow me on my Instagram. It's Chum Bonita. Ako lang insert somewhere dire. And that's basically today, mga palanggeng. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are doing fine. And ayo mo, daha kay salamat. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!